Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone had a great day. So this video is going to be basically two parts. This is going to answer Christian's question. He had left a question down in the comment section, so I'm going to answer Christian's question in this video, as well as my trade recap for the day. We hit $100 in the green. We were 4 for 4 on our trades. And this is going to be good for Christian because his question was, how do I find stocks to trade? What am I looking for when I want to take a trade that I think is going to, be the one to take as far as profitability goes? Basically just finding those stocks, and also what news do I look for? What do I read? I'll go through all that as well. But basically I am a technical analysis. So I do that type of analysis when I look at my charts. It's all, price action as well as chart reading. I always start at the long-term daily frame first. So I'll start with like a daily chart or a 180-day 4-hour chart, and then I will go to a smaller time frame. So first, what we want to do is we want to find what is the overall trend of either the market, because you also don't want to be battling against the stock market. So it's a lot easier to trade when you're trading with the market. So first, figure out which way the overall market is going. Is it a strong market? Is it a weak market? Are we, ascending, or are we, descending? These are all things that you guys have to start to learn how to do. It's technical analysis. That's just it's what I do. It's what a lot of traders do. And you always start with a longer term time frame first, and then you go down to your smaller one, okay? So start with the year, go to a 180, right? Start making your trend lines. That's also something you're gonna have to learn how to do. And key price points for the stocks, where they hit lows, where they hit highs, where there was a big area of consolidation, just important areas to look at, okay? So I'm sorry, I just got some notes written down here, or I'll just lose my train of thought. Okay, so anyway, let me just show you then my screen here, because this is a trade, Christian, that we took today on ASO. That was the ticker. All right, so here it is. All right, so we made $55 off of this trade. This was 1 hour. It took an hour and we made $55. Now, why did I choose ASO? Where do I find these stocks? Where did I find this stock? Well, you have to treat trading like it was a job, okay? Many, many hours are spent doing this. All of these things are very good for news. Barron's, Investors Business Daily. You can find these all online. I actually like to read the actual newspaper. I'm old school. Wall Street Journal, Financial Times Weekly. All right. This is where you find your stocks. You do a lot of research, you do a lot of reading, okay? And then when you find your stocks, you come over here and you put them on watch lists. So ASO happened to be on my pullback buys watch list. See, ASO right here. And all we do is now we take ASO, as you can see on this smaller time frame, which right here, I think I have the, let me just move myself. I have the 30-minute daily chart, okay? Sometimes I like to look at this chart. I see levels start to develop a lot cleaner. And then I make my trend line, my important price lines here. So I have one here, which was the previous high of the last 2 days. I made this line and this line before I even took this trade. And look at what ended up happening here. We bounced off of the line here in one of the last bars of the day. You know, when something touches either a trend line or an important price point, if it touches 3 times, then you know there's other traders that are looking at that. And that's exactly what happened here. So the reason why we took this trade off on today is my favorite trade, the break of VWAP, okay? You guys, if you've watched my videos, know this. We were trading towards the bottom of this range that we found out looking at a longer time frame, right? We dialed in that this was going to be the our stop loss. This is the bottom. And all I did was I took the break of VWAP right here. And then we sold into this candle. This was a 1-hour trade for $55. Not a bad hourly wage, okay? So that was this trade. And then we also traded the futures, which we went 3 for 3 in the futures market. So basically, I guess to conclude for Christian, I don't know if this is going to help you or not, but look at all your news. Find the stocks that you want and have your platform open and add them to your watch list. Add all the stocks that you think are good stocks to keep on watch. And all you're going to want to do is, what I always start doing is I'll pull back and I'll do a longer, time frame. So then I can see basically the overall view of the stock. And in this stock, we've started in a very clearly defined uptrend here. Show you guys real quick. I mean, look at this. You have a perfect very, very nice ascending. And actually this stock is looking ripe for a flat top breakout as well. Okay, if it consolidates in here and then eventually breaks the 2298, this one will come back and flirt with its previous highs here. This is actually a very nice looking stock, ASO. It doesn't have much volume yet, but it is a very good company. And that's also something I like to trade. When I'm trading some of these like bigger cap stocks, I do like to trade quality. This isn't like, when I do my momentum strategy, it could be the shittiest company. If it's got decent news and there's millions of traders and the volume is high, I know that I can get in at the right levels and sell. This was just a little bit different. I found this stock, in, one of these newspapers, and I added it to my watch list a while ago. It's not the first time that I've bought and sold it. So I kind of know the levels that it works. I kind of know the way that it trades. Eventually you guys, if you do enough work, because really day trading, you have to put in so many hours. It's not just, I'm going to watch one video. This guy made $100 today. It must be that easy. No, it takes a lot of work. you know, and it basically takes what you put in. You know, you might get out, you might not get out. It's not really not easy at all. But once you learn technical analysis, okay, chart reading, key levels, identify these key levels. Did it touch something 3 or 4 times like this did? Well, this is a very obvious ascending trend line, and this is going to respect this. And if it ever broke this in the next couple of days, then you're looking that it's going to break, and it's probably going to be a big red bar. But if we break the flat top breakout, then it's going to be a nice big green push. And this is how you can profit. I like to take them quick through momentum, which is why I like to trade this, which is right here, the break of VWAP. When I see something made a higher low than the low before, it's just a matter of time before we start on this. And, you know, this is technical analysis, Christian. So basically, learn how to chart read, learn how to draw trend lines, and always start at a longer time frame and then dial it down to eventually the 5 minute, the 15 minute, the 30 minute, and then the 1 minute. And that's when you're going to really, you know, dial in your entries. So I know I was all over the place. I'm not really the best teacher yet, as I just started the channel, but I hope that helps you out, bud. You know, maybe we can make you some money with identifying, you know, the overall trend of A, the market, and B, the stock that you're looking to either swing trade or day trade. So, you know, it's basically the swing trading is the same way. If you can read a chart, like I just told you, there's a possibility that this stock will continue if it breaks out of key levels. That's how you swing trade. So anyway, I hope this video helps you guys out. We hit a nice goal of $100 today. We went 4 for 4, 100%, which we are super happy about. All right, guys, I hope that you guys have a great night, and I will see you back tomorrow with another video. Take care. Hit the thumbs up.